Do you want to stay away from hacker and need ultimate privacy for your Android mobile device just in one tap? If you want that, keep watching this video till the end without skipping. Hello friends, so welcome to my another brand new YouTube video. In this video, I will give you an idea about a must-have setting on your Android device. Through this video, you will be able to increase securities and more privacy from hackers and various third-party applications which you have installed on your Android device like photo editor, TikTok and other video games. Most of third-party applications are collecting your personal details more than they need. They are compelling you to grant permission to access your device storage, camera, microphone and phone book too. By accessing your camera and microphone of your device, they can track you anytime, anywhere. To prevent yourself from that kind of dangers, you always need to disable your device sensors, which helps you to shut off the device sensors including the camera and microphone. Turning off the sensor will reduce your battery usage too. Now I'm gonna show you all the process on my Android phone. Watch every step carefully and follow the process. Okay, this is my very lovely Android Samsung A30. First of all, go to settings of your phone and open it. Then scroll all the way down and find about device or about phone. Basically, we need to activate developer options for this process. If you have already activated developer options, you don't need to go to about device. You can directly enter into developer options. If you don't have developer options, then go to about device and find software information and then find out build number. Now continuously tap on build number for 7 times and it will turn on your developer options. After activation of the developer option, go back to the previous setting and find out developer options and go through it. Scroll down and you can see quick settings developer tiles there. Tap on it and find sensors off. To turn on sensors off toggle, tap the button there or drag it to the right side. Okay, the setting is complete. Now go back to the home screen, go to TikTok and check it out. You can watch every video, you can do everything. Now let's check camera option. Open the camera, can't access. Drag down from the top screen of your device and see quick toggles. You can find it at first before Wi-Fi option. Put this setting on when you don't need to access your camera and microphone. There you go, you can access it now. That's all in this video guys. If you guys like this video, subscribe my channel, like and share the video and leave the comment below. See you in the next video. Keep smiling.